Sonny Turner is a British emerging curvy model, Instagram star, and social media influencer. She rose to fame after walking in her debut New York fashion show for ASOS, Primark, and Fig Leaves. She is also known for sharing her sizzling, curvaceous, modeling photos and videos on Instagram. Sonny was born and brought up in London, England along with her parents and siblings. She went to a local school for graduation and moved to a famous university to study sociology. Initially, she gained fame on social media platforms, especially on Instagram, as her photos and videos caught the attention of modeling agencies. Presently, she has been signed by Milk and Wilhelmina modeling agencies. Sonny Turner's age is 23. She is 5'7" tall and her weight is approximately 57 kilograms. Sonny Turner's net worth as of now, in 2021, is estimated to be more than $550,000. The sources of her earnings are modeling, commercials, endorsements, and brand advertisements.